gonna get some breakfast today, this morning. And then after that, we're gonna go to the gym, but we do have to speak to their Southern representative. And yeah, so we're on our way now. I'm hungry, so we're gonna fill up our bellies. So we just finished breakfast. Our bellies are a little bit full. We're gonna let it digest by going to see our Sunwing representative so we can talk to them about our departure to leave from Cancun, the timing as to what time we need to go and get our shuttle bus. So,
alright guys, so we just finished up with the Sunwing representative. So since I had my heart set on the frontal view, that's what we discussed with Anna, and she's gonna see what she could do when she comes speaking with the manager when it comes to getting that room available for us, if it's available or not. Because that's what I had my heart set on. When I upgraded, that's what I thought I was gonna get, and we did not get that. So we're gonna figure that out. And it was a good meeting with her. We also have something special to show you guys. I don't tell you guys about it yet. A little surprise that came up, and we're excited to be part of it. So we'll tell you guys about that in a few minutes.
The Rio Denmark side, and to be honest, this side is like a bit more. It's a downgrade, to be honest, from our side, from the Palace side. So I am honestly happy that we're on that side. So we're gonna be going through this side. We have the gold bands, so this allows us to go on either side. But if you're on the Rio Denmark side, you can't go on the Palace side. So make sure you go on that side. It's an upgrade comparing to this side. So yeah, guys, we living like queens and kings.
This way. Let's walk.
Can I take off my shoes?
No, let's come. Stop. Look to your left. Okay, you're right.
Izzy did this?
Yeah.
Aww.
Hold on, let me get a video of it first.
You gonna feed me some chocolates?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I came in here with a surprise wine and chocolates, strawberry chocolates. So they left a letter, so I'm about to read it. So let's see what it says. It says Rio Palace, room 4069. It says, Dear Mr. and Mrs. Hyatt, welcome to Rio Palace, Costa Mujeres. Congratulations on your honeymoon. We hope you have an enjoyable time at the resort. If there is anything else you may need, please do not hesitate to contact us, front desk and management. That is very sweet. We are on our honeymoon because we haven't gone on our honeymoon, so we're calling this our honeymoon. To be honest, it's beautiful. It's a nice place. Cancun is a place to be. The food is not bad, to be honest. They have so many different types of restaurants that will cater to different types of ethnic backgrounds. So yeah, and we're gonna continue showing you guys the different types of restaurants they have. And right now we're going to be getting ready for lunch and for the beach or the pool, whatever we feel. But yeah, we're gonna go outside and show off our bodies damn done. Peace out. And then we're gonna go take a dip in the water, dip in the pool. So yeah, I am just wearing a bathing suit that was made by my seamstress, Jada.
I got these trunks from Amazon.
How much?
Legit really good. $23.
And they're
Canadian.
sexy for them. Watch the boots, see. Quit the butter cheek, baby. What?
Guys, when it comes to it, took me a while to do that, because I have to do it when it comes to my chiropractic. I have to learn to control these things.
Oh,
to take pressure off my spine.
Onions on there, and my burger, mayo with ketchup, and wrap it up. Alright, there you go.
That's your burger?
There we go.
No bun.
Man, not that bun.
Man not take money?
Nope.
Okay, boo.
Oh Lord.